guys, so I am ready to film. I hope number one my top isn't too low cut and see-through. That's actually all I hope. Don't know why I had more hopes. Also, it's my first video, or my first sit down video this year. I feel like I had something I wanted to say but I can't remember. This is the thing, I feel like if I had no boobs this wouldn't be too low cut, but because I do, there's a tiny bit low cut. Yeah, I think that's only a tiny bit low cut. Anyway, on my lips today I thought I'd show you what I've got because I've had it for a while but I haven't tried it before. It's Pocket Pout by Charlotte Tilbury and Kiss Me Quick. I quite like it, but you have to apply it with your finger, which is why I haven't used it, but colour wise it's really pretty. Tiny bit drying, it is matte. But like it. Next thing, it isn't a favourite video, I don't know why I'm showing you this, but these Goodness Knows cranberry and almond like bites. They look like this, hold on. Are so good. I got my first one free with an ASOS order and then my mum bought a packet. I really like them. I haven't filmed a Mail Monday in a really long time, so I thought I'd show you a few new things. I'm gonna save my like cheaper drugstore bits for next week's video. And there isn't like too much organisation to this video. I'm just gonna go pick up things that I've received recently, kind of briefly show you them, and that's kind of gonna be it. If you want something more in-depth, let me know. I think I might do like a full face first impression, something like that. Loads of perfumes. I'm crap at describing fragrances, but Cherry Mugler, the new fragrance, Alien, is out. Let's open it. I quite like Alien. I feel like I've spoken about this before. I used to wear it when I was at university, which was, my first year was 7 years ago. I was 18, 7 years ago. I liked it. I remember I used to wear it to lectures and my friends were like, you can't wear that, like that's so strong. Actually they didn't say you can't wear that, they were just like, that's quite a lot for a lecture, but this is very nice. It's definitely still got that like strong Alien scent. It's a slight bit softer, it's kind of a bit more florally maybe. I like it, I really like it actually. Then, you may have seen this all over Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is here. It's _littleobsessed. Clinique launched this, what have they called it? They've launched a Cliniquefit range, which helps you feel good whilst you train, I guess. They sent me this jumper. And I think this whole kind of range has a slight Glossier feel to it. I'll show you why in a second. They sent me a grey hoodie, very Glossier. It says Cliniquefit on it, and then on the back it says life's a marathon, look good running it. And then, I don't know if my hair's bad, I really need a haircut. And then they've launched a makeup range. Can you see how this is slightly Glossier-esque with the pouches? Anyway, so inside, I really like this actually. I think it's something I would use at the gym because I don't usually have pockets and then I can't like carry stuff around. So I feel like putting like a pack of tissues, because I always need to blow my nose at the gym. Some hand sanitizer. What else did I want? My headphones and a few, I don't know what else I would need in the gym, but I feel like that's nice. Then there's Lash Longer out there. Workout 24-hour mascara. Let me know if you'd like me to try these. I can even try these pre-workout. I work out in the morning. No, I could do that. I could work out on the weekend a bit later because usually I work out in the morning. Packaging wise, I'm not crazy about it, but again, not dissimilar to Glossier. Really thin brush. Interested to see if it would be a good brush. Can you see the pouches? Glossier. Dropping stuff. Okay, then we have the Play It Cool Workout Face and Body Hydrating Spray, which is a really cool idea because I guess that is like the sort of beauty thing you would want. There are no big sweat post-workout face and body cleansing wipe. Great, especially because I don't like to shower at the gym, so sometimes I like want to be able to wipe my face and then go home and shower at home, so it's great for that. Shine in the Game, Not Your T-Zone. A mattifying moisturiser. I mean, I'm not too fussy about what I look like at the gym, but I guess if you are, this is a good one. I sometimes put on like somewhat heavy moisturiser before I go to the gym. I probably shouldn't, but I just don't look great at the gym and I'm okay with that. Oh, I like this idea. This is a little cheek and lip tint. I'm really into cheek and lip tints at the moment actually because of Glossier. That's probably average size for a cheek and lip, I think. But I think sometimes colour is like really neglected, but it can make such a big difference. Oh, this is quite a full-on colour. Oh no, it's not. It looks quite dark coming out the tube, but actually it blends down to actually a really light colour. I don't know if you can even see that, but I do really like that. I think I would use that actually. Probably wouldn't use it for the gym, I would just use it generally. Be Matte on the Matte Workout Makeup SPF 40. So I'm assuming this is a foundation in medium 05. I assume quite similar to their other one that comes in packaging like this and you shake. And then face neutralizing powder. But overall I really like the idea. A few brands have done it in the past and I haven't been like overly excited about it because I think a lot of the makeup you already have can be used in the gym if you wanted to. I don't really think you need specific gym makeup. I don't really like these applicators, but I see why they've done it, which is why I'm kind of a little bit unsure. But as long as the products are excellent, then I don't see why not. On to something that I've actually shown before, and when I initially received it, I think I was too harsh initially, and it's the Ciaté Glitter Flips, which is actually Ciaté's best-selling launch of 2017, and these are 6 new shades of muted and bold shades. I love Ciaté as a brand, so I guess if it's their best-selling product, that's a good sign. I love the packaging they sent it in. I just think it's so cute. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I am 100% keeping this. I disregarded them when they first arrived because I was like, who wants glitter lips? And I stand by that. I don't want glitter lips, but it is very fine glitter. And I've heard that how it works is that when you rub your lips, the glitter shows up and then you rub them again and it doesn't show. And it kind of like, sometimes it's glittery and sometimes it's not. I really need to give them a go because I feel like you can't see the glitter at first and then it develops. So I really just need to give these a go. That said, these aren't cheap. They're £17 or $19, which I think's like up there for a lip product. It's definitely not a cheap lip product. This is going to be me teasing you because they're teasing me. Benefit in 10 days, 6 hours, 51 minutes and 16 seconds are launching something exciting. This is what they sent. It looks like, you know, when you see in the films and a bomb's about to go off. Anyway, that's exciting. I don't know what it is. I've been like trying to work out what I'm hoping it's going to be. Benefit does brows really well, so I'm okay with it not being brows. I don't know. Exciting though. I received 2 Blue Monday packages just to kind of say, hey, like, don't let your Monday be too blue. Last Monday was supposedly the saddest day of the year, I think. Lizelle sent me a few bits. They sent me their Instant Boost Skin Tonic, their Skin Repair Moisturiser, which I do actually really like, and then their Classic Cleanser, which is the one, I think it's the one product that really got me into skincare, so I feel like it's always going to have a bit of a special place in my heart, although now my skin's quite dry so it doesn't love it as much, but that's exciting, and I still think it's still a nice staple to have. And then from Jo Malone, they've got their like hashtag just because campaign, I guess. It's been around for a little while. And they sent me a candle, they sent me Peony and Blush Suede. I've actually never burnt a Jo Malone candle. I have a few. I've actually got one just here, which is Sweet Almond and Macaron. Where did this come from? This one sounds amazing. Anyway, very excited. I'm like saving them to one day burn. I'm not sure what I was saving them for, but very, very exciting. It definitely made me happier and my Blue Monday less blue. More fragrances. There's no point me describing them because I'm awful. There's Terre de Lumiere, which I've actually already got. It's by L'Occitane. And Exotic Bloom by Michael Kors. I say this and then I just can't resist opening them. I can tell you if I like them, I guess, without having to go too in depth. Oh, I quite like that. I'm really into orange at the moment. It seems to be making a bit of a comeback on Instagram, and I feel like that's made me really like it. Oh, what does that smell like? It's very orangey. It's nice. It's a really lovely summer scent. But I do feel like summer scents sometimes are nice in the winter because they make me happy, because they remind me of summer. And then something that arrived but I already have and I really love, so I'm going to be opening this one up and putting it somewhere else in my house, is the Tweezerman Expert Tweeze LED lighted slanted tweezer. I'll just show you mine that's already open. Tweezerman tweezers are actually the only tweezers I use. I love them. I do have a few that are now going blunt though. I know there is a way of going about sharpening them, like sending them off to be sharpened, but I think I have to send them off to the US, so I haven't looked into it enough, but I really need to. But they're these ones. I used them yesterday. I really, really like them. I don't really like doing my own brows. My brows are such a mess at the moment. I really need them done. But I use them to like occasionally do my brows. Really, I use them for ingrown hairs, if I'm honest. Yes, I had a really bad ingrown hair and I used these. They have got a light, which I guess is what makes these like extra special, but I don't always find the light that useful, because typically you do your brows somewhere that's well lit anyway, but some people might find it useful. It's also quite nice to hold because it's a little bit thicker, so you've got a bit more control. But generally I just love Tweezerman tweezers, not necessarily the ones with the lights, just all of them. I had a facial from Oskia last week. Loved the facial. It was actually really, really nice. It was quite a short one, but it was still amazing. Oskia's a brand I really, really like, and I just love when you can have like a genuine chat with the brand. So we were like talking about the products, and I said that I don't like the Renaissance cleansing gel. I don't get on with it. Other people love it. I just keep trying it, and I'm like, please, like I really want to like it, and I just don't. And they were like, yeah, that's fine. Like sometimes products just don't work for everyone, and I love that brands understand that. There are a few other things I really want to try from Oskia. Like they have got a balm cleanser, which I think would be far more my cup of tea. But the reason I went for this facial was to try out their City Life Detox Mask. I'll tell you how much this is, because I don't actually know, and I feel like that's useful information. Oh, it doesn't say how much it is, and I feel like it could potentially be quite expensive, so I feel like it's important for me to Google this. Oskia City Life Detox Mask. So on Cult Beauty it's £64, so it is expensive, and that's £64 for 4 masks, making that £16 a mask. So it's not a cheap mask for sure. Oskia isn't a cheap brand. There are some products that are quite affordable, like the cleansers. I think they're quite affordable anyway, but this is up there, I guess. But it is a really cool concept. I'm going to quickly show you. So the masks come like this, and what you do is you push really hard. I'm not going to show you because I don't want to use this mask now. You push really hard, and you kind of on the top part, which will open up this part, and so it mixes the liquid with the powder that's in this part, and you like give it a good like mix about, and you put it on your face, and then it's a peel off mask. I didn't think I was going to necessarily love this, just because I have quite dehydrated skin, so I wasn't sure if it would make my skin worse. It really didn't. My skin looks great after that facial. I'm really excited to use these some more. So a few bits from Clarins. These are the SOS primers. I think Clarins does primers quite well actually, and these are camouflage primers. Did I say that already? And it preps and moisturizes, and they come in 6 different shades. This one here is the peach one. This one here is rose, so it's just to kind of counteract any like skin issues you may have. So the rose one minimises a sign of fatigue. Peach blurs imperfections. Lavender visibly brightens sallow skin. Green diminishes redness. Coral visibly minimises dark spots. And then finally there's a universal one which boosts radiance. You're definitely not going to need all 6 of these, so I guess you kind of pick what your issue is and you get that. Really love Clarins primers, so I'm excited to use this. Also, there are 2 new lip balms, Instant Light lip balms. I'm not necessarily crazy about these lip balms. I love the Instant Light glosses, but the balms are, I don't know, I don't really like tinted balms per se, so I think it's just me that doesn't, it's just like not my sort of product, I guess. But this colour looks beautiful. There is a new plum shade and also a new hot pink shade. These also don't have SPF, because I feel like if they had SPF then they'd be perfect. This looks way more coral than hot pink. If they did have SPF then I think they'd be great for the summer and the beach and stuff, but they don't. So they're just not really my cup of tea. On to It Cosmetics. And It Cosmetics is probably one of my favourite launches of 2017 in the UK. I know that in the US and maybe other places in the world as well, it was very easily available. It wasn't in the UK, so very excited that it is now. I've got a few different things. This is the CC cream in light. I actually think this is just the normal CC cream. Yeah, but I currently have medium, so I guess it's just one shade lighter for winter. We'll start with this, which is the Confident in an Eye Cream. I haven't tried this, I don't really know too much about it. It's actually a good size eye cream. Really looking forward to trying that. Don't have anything to say about it because I haven't tried it. The next 2 products I actually saw at one of their events. Also, I think it's worth me pointing out the It Cosmetics CC cream was one of my favourite products of 2017. I didn't do a favourites of the year, but had I done that, this 100% would be in it. This cleanser, I saw this at one of their like press days or something, and I have been dying to try it, so I'm very excited. It is for all skin types. It's the Confidence in a Cleanser Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. I have dry skin, so this sounds like my dream. Like the packaging, it's like super lightweight. I will definitely be giving this a go and I will report back. And finally, the last product which I've been dying to try is Confidence in a Cream, which is just their moisturiser. I've heard good things, so I am very much looking forward to trying this. I think it'll be like a beautiful cream to wear under makeup, and I feel like I really need a better cream to go under my makeup. Oh, this does feel nice. It feels very hydrating, but not too like heavy. Well, I don't know if I like the smell though, but it could be something else that I've rubbed on my hand. Oh, it's got a strange smell. I'm not sure if I'm crazy about it. And I think that's pretty much all I have to show you in terms of items that aren't high end. And like I mentioned, next week I will do a, what do I call it? A drugstore Mail Monday video. Oh no, wait, we have one more thing to show you and it's really exciting. This is from Buxom. It's the Plump Line Lip Liner. I haven't spoken too much about Buxom, but it's basically Bare Minerals' sister company, maybe like slightly cooler and slightly younger. This is the new Plump Line Lip Liner. There are 20 of them. They have sent me all 20, which is amazing. So on one side you have a lip brush, and on one side you have like a chunky lip liner. So I guess it's a lip crayon, not necessarily a lip liner. Plump Line defines and plumps lips for a perfect pout. I would line my lips and then use this on my actual lips as well. I'm not sure if that's necessarily what they want you to do, but I'm sure it's definitely not what you're not supposed to do. Does that make sense? Colour wise, they've got some really nice colours, some really beautiful nudes, and I'm all about the nude, so I'm very excited to try these. They all look like maybe like a demi matte. They look comfortable. I'm really excited to try these. But that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm not sure what's coming next. I have to like really go through everything that I've received recently and like have a clear out, so I might film that. I'm going to film some sort of like fashiony video today as well, just because I feel like it. But that's basically it. Like this video if you enjoyed it, because it would really help me, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as well. My Instagram is down below, and let me know what you'd like to see next. I'll see you all very soon. Bye.